So let's go ahead and get into this review. Now, the first one that I'm going to review, I don't know. Of course, I have these two babies, and the one thing that I've been dying to try. I haven't used it. I haven't opened it. So you guys can see the little foil thing cover is on there. So I'm just gonna prep this face really quick and get started on it. So let's open this one. And I honestly just ordered online and hoped for the best. I did get Ethiopia. I don't know if you guys can see that. ijexxica 400. So, and hopefully I chose the correct foundation color. Huh. If not, oh well. So I'm just gonna put a little bit on my hand. Ooh. And I love that. Oh, kind of looks, well, at least to my hand, but I am loving this. Okay, I'm gonna apply it to half of the face with a sponge. I'm not a big sponge person to apply my foundation with. I'm more of a brush person. So I'm gonna use one of these brushes and then a sponge. So for some reason, I mean, it does feel a little, or it looks like a little bit dark. Okay, so that was real and raw, and that's just not gonna work out. So that color was obviously too dark for me, and I'm just gonna have to order some new ones because, yeah, this one wasn't for me. So if anybody is this color or close to this color and you want it, let me know. I'll pick someone. I'm gonna go ahead and prep my face again and set a different type of foundation that I already have so we can review these two babies. Now, I know this one is pretty old. I think this one's pretty new. I guess it'd help if I had the right one. I don't know if you guys are like me, but I put a lot of concealer. I'm the only weirdo one here, but something that I do like doing is I like to go ahead and put my foundation on this side of the forehead here, so that way I can focus on my eyebrows and all of that, and I don't have to like come in with my brush later on, like trying to mess it up, you know? All right, so let's go ahead and get started with the review. I don't know which one I want to do. I'm like, well, I guess I should start by showing you guys these palettes. So, brand new. And I know I'm so late, but hey, I am obsessed and I wanted to see if Juvia's place is just really worth the hype and all. But look, so pretty. Well, there is that one. The second one, I guess I need to take that off. But look at these colors. since we're going into fall, let's go ahead and do a fall look. Nubian 3 Coral today. And I don't like that they don't have the names on here, but whatever. So we're gonna go in with this one. With the Morphe M433, and it is a little bit it's a fluffy blending brush, but it's definitely like not as it's a little bit wider, but it doesn't go like all the way up, you know what I mean. I'm just kind of going back in with that first Morphe brush that I used, which is the M330, and not picking up any more color. I'm just gonna kind of go back in there, kind of like that. Okay, so here comes the fun part. So I went ahead and added a little bit of concealer onto the back of my hand, and I'm gonna use a very thin brush. Grabbed a wipe and I literally wiped all of the concealer. You guys are probably gonna be like, what the hell? So what was that point? Well, the point was to, you know, get that cut crease, and I'm going to add more concealer, but not just much. I almost forgot I got carried on. So I'm gonna go in with this shimmery color right here, and I was trying to apply it without any Fix Plus, but I'm just not having it. So I'm going to add a little bit of it. Right here, I'm going to go in with a brown, same palette. It's the one that I used earlier. I'm actually not going all the way in. I'm just kind of like stopping like right there. Look how big my eye looks, like boom, and then boom. My eyes are already big, but you know. I'm going to try to add some glitter, and this one is just from NYX Liquid Crystal Body Liner. And I'm not gonna actually go right here in the line, or where the eyeliner goes. I'm gonna attempt to do it from like right here, if not maybe halfway. All right, so now that that's on there, I don't know if I wanna do some liner or not, but what I am going to do is I'm going to grab a very pointed brush, a Morphe B27, and I'm going to grab a little bit of this one and put it on the inner corner just to see. Just to add a little oomph. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and finish this other eye really quick. I went ahead and put my lashes, and I did do liner, but I didn't want to do like a whole lot because I don't want to take away from the eyes. Let's just take a moment to appreciate it, I guess. And you can use any powder. Today I'm gonna use Revolution Luxury Baking Powder in the color Banana. So. Really fast, I'm just gonna finish all of my face. Get to it. I know it looks really light right now, but don't mind it. Okay, so I'm just gonna go with the under eyes, on the under eyes with this Morphe M156. Looks like this. I'm gonna give you guys a few options to go with this look. The first one, a nude color. I'm gonna go in with this Jeffree Star Celebrity Skin, and I swear I'm not gonna stop until I freaking find it again. But I've showed you guys in my previous videos, like it's just a nude, this one, for me. And I feel like there is really no other nude for me. Sorry, I'm trying to text my fiance. Is there really a difference for fiance and fiance? I don't know. I don't care. All I know is I'm getting married. Back to the lips. And then I'm going to add Celeste from Buxom. Buxom is probably my favorite lip gloss ever. So many of them, and I need to use them more often. Now, this is really not me, but for those of you that like a dark color, here is this one. And that is the final look. I really didn't know what to do with my hands there for a second. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. I freaking love how this look came out. I feel like at first it was, you know, a little bit basic, like just using those 2-3 colors, but with the, you know, glitter and the lashes and the liner, I thought that it came out awesome. Thank you so much for watching. My next video is going to be based on me and my fiance, whatever, getting married. We're gonna go to Eureka, I don't know, Springs in Arkansas, and I'll be vlogging while I'm there, and I hope that I actually get to do it this time, because when I went to Florida last year, I did vlog, but I was too lazy to post it, and then when I went to Vegas, Cancun, it's the same thing. So this time, even though I'm going not too far from home, I am going to try to vlog and make it happen. So anyways, if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching again.